Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of home decor and crafting. From DIY projects to expert tips, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, join us on this creative journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to show your support. Your encouragement helps us keep creating engaging content that inspires and delights. Cupboards under the stairs can be a great way to utilize otherwise unused space. Here are some tips for organizing and using this space effectively. 1. Assess the space. Measure the area. Determine the height, width, and depth of the space available under the stairs. This will help you determine the type and size of storage units that will fit. Identify any obstacles. Take note of any pipes, beams, or electrical outlets that may restrict the placement of storage units. Consider the layout. Decide whether you prefer a single large cupboard, multiple smaller units, or a combination of shelves and drawers. 2. Choose the right storage solutions. Shelves. Adjustable shelves are a versatile option for storing a variety of items, from books and clothes to sporting equipment and tools. Drawers. Drawers can be used to store smaller items that need to be easily accessed, such as jewelry, toiletries, or craft supplies. Cabinets. Cabinets offer enclosed storage for larger items that need to be hidden away, such as seasonal decorations or out-of-season clothing. Custom solutions. If you have a unique space or specific storage needs, consider having custom storage units built to fit the area perfectly. 3. Organize and label. Group items by category. This will make it easier to find what you need when you're looking for something specific. Use labels. Label drawers, shelves, and bins to clearly identify their contents. Utilize the vertical space. Use stackable containers or shelves to maximize the vertical space available. Maximize the corners. Use corner shelves or baskets to make use of the often in use space in the corners of the cupboard. 4. Maintain and clean. Regularly inspect the storage units. Check for any signs of wear and tear and repair or replace them as needed. Clean the shelves and drawers periodically. Wipe them down with a damp cloth to remove dust and debris. Organize the contents regularly. Take some time to go through your stored items and declutter as needed.